Hey guys, what is up? It's Greg here from Personal Evolution. Today coming at you with a crypto news update, looking at the crypto markets, sharing my thoughts. We'll cover the global crypto market. Is it altcoin season still? Are we looking bullish for the end of April? The XRP market, the Gary Gensler pump that we're seeing, and a bit about the rest of the market. If that all sounds good, stick to the end and let's jump into it. Cool, so crypto markets this week looking pretty bullish, starting with Cointelegraph do a good price analysis series where they look at all the different prices. In general, Bitcoin is doing quite well. It's holding between resistance at the moment. Yeah, they're saying that the bears have again successfully defended the overhead resistance. They've not been able to sink the price further though, which suggests that people are not selling out their long positions, which is always good news. So hodlers, keep hodling, and we'll see this go higher. In terms of what that looks like in percentage points, over the 7 days, we've had Bitcoin performing quite slowly, kind of climbing. We've had a real tear from Binance Coin recently, pushing above 500. I think it hit 550 at one point, and maybe 600. I'll have to check that. The standout winners for this week is still the XRP story goes on, and Stellar, I've noticed, has just poked its head into the top 10, overtaking Chainlink. And I think I said yesterday, Stellar and Ripple have quite a strong correlation as Stellar was a fork of it. So I'd expect Stellar to follow Ripple up at least a bit. In terms of altcoin holders, what we need to look at, it's still this percentage total market cap dominance of Bitcoin. Yesterday it was at 54%. Today it's at 53%. That is slowly coming down. When we zoom out, I think it's starting to look quite exciting. We're starting to see this drop. As soon as this thing crosses 50%, I believe it's going to get a bit nutty because we can see it really dives off quickly when it's along the 50% mark. You can look at these dates in more detail, but just to give you an idea, this is when altcoin season really gets firing off. Our altcoin season tracker up at 92 is hovering around this level. I'll leave links in the description below to this. Really looking really bullish for the altcoin season. If I go back, zoom out again, look at when it was last at this level, 2017, we're maxing out at 100% and a bit through 2018. So yeah, we're really high. Altcoins are firing off left and center. And that brings us on to the kind of main victor for this recent run, XRP. So yeah, XRP still trading well, still pushing higher and higher. Let's go to the trading view. We've had a bit of a kind of argument up here. We had a bit of consolidation throughout yesterday and stuff where it was just hovering between these levels, and then we've pushed out up to a new high here. I think this is Gary Gensler is going to be confirmed sometime soon. I just put out a tweet asking the community when that's going to happen. As far as we know, it's just taken a long time. I was watching this earlier. I'll leave a link below from CoinDesk. And yeah, they're just saying that it just takes time and it's not the kind of top of the board at the moment. There has been some movements, which I think is why we're seeing the XRP price push up again. Where are we now? 1.62. So we're still flying nicely, and it'll be interesting to see if we keep going in the right direction. So next, Telegram reporting the IPO. I guess we're following in Coinbase steps. It will be interesting to see if these guys get this over the line after their failed token sale. If they do, I imagine that will be hugely bullish, and we will see a much bigger push into crypto from more people. Telegram has a huge amount of users. So again, opening the world up to more crypto. On the bearish side, HSBC, I think they're seeing the writing on the wall and getting a little bit nervous as it banned people from trading anyone who holds Bitcoin, including on their balance sheet, including MicroStrategy the other day. Yeah, I read this as they're getting nervous. So it'll be interesting to see what this does to prices. Finally, on the NFT world, we had the NYSE releasing a collection of NFTs commemorating notable IPOs, which is just great news because, again, you see this, we're seeing more and more chatter in the mainstream media about crypto news with the Coinbase IPO coming up. So looking ahead, CoinMarketCal, a great little site for looking at what's coming up. In terms of significant events, we have the BNB 15th burn coming up. I don't have too much information about that. All we got the other day was this notification from BNB This says 14th was complete, and that was 3 million BNB. So the next one, we're not sure how much it's going to be, but yeah, this was last month, so let's see what happens there. Apart from that, Berlin hard fork coming up. That's still on the books. Will be good to see something happen with Ethereum. So that's it from me today. If you like this sort of content, give us a subscribe. Let us know in the comments anything that was major, that was on your radar, that I've missed. And yeah, hope you guys are doing well, and just excited for this altcoin season to really kick off now.